Setting up the device preferences. Press Menu on the left-hand side. Go down to Settings. At the bottom of the page, press Sections. Go to Preferences. Work your way down the list and press Device Preferences. Here you can also have the option to turn off the sounds from the app on the top right hand side. You can see there. So you can go yes, you want the sounds to play, or no. You want to move your way down and go down to where it says Complete button. Click on there. You want to change it to Go to My Schedule. And then directly underneath that it says Auto Upload Work Orders. Select that, and you want to change this to Upload when service is complete. And then we just press Done, press Menu, and go back to My Schedule.